guys, welcome to my channel. And on this channel I'll upload the travel vlogs, and in this vlog I'm going to upload about my journey from my town till Amsterdam, and it will be in 3 parts. Point. So I have reached here at the bus station, the Flixbus bus station, and you can see here comes a bus to Amsterdam. So one can easily catch the bus from here. So I'll be hello. So I bought this coffee here and this long stand here. So that I am having now in before as my breakfast, and then I'll leave to Amsterdam. You can see the bus to Amsterdam Sloterdijk comes here and it's on time. So this is the bus stop, Flixbus Central Bus Station. It's in Europe. It's connected all over to the cities in the Europe. Like for example, one can easily go to France, one can easily go to any parts of Germany or any parts of Europe altogether. So my bus will come probably here or there to Amsterdam, and probably I'll be reaching there by 3:30 or something. Like it's a 4-hour and 30-minute trip. So that's all. I'll keep you updated. So guys, my bus has came. You can see to Amsterdam Sloterdijk, and I'm going to take that bus to Amsterdam for and let's see what comes out. And it's coming from Bremen. Guys, so I've reached here the bus, and maybe it will take off in 5 minutes, inshallah. So now we are heading to McDonald's, a small outlet for having a small break, Flixbus, while going to Amsterdam. So our bus is stopping by here. So people, we are having a short break right now. We have stopped in a gas station here, and while going to Amsterdam, so there are many breaks in between where you can get down for to buy something to eat and to even go for the washroom. So stay tuned in, we'll go ahead. Yeah, we are having a small break here. The bus and our bus is stopping by there. You know. We have finished our break, and now I am heading back to my bus. And as you can see, I'm trying to vlog here. Trying to not, I can really vlog here. And the sun is really good. And it's awesome here. So 10 minutes pause over, back to Pavilion. People, we have reached Pavilion, and it's the first bus stop here, and maybe like 2 hours we'll reach Amsterdam, inshallah. That is Kroning, and that's our Flixbus. Hello, morning. So are reaching to Amsterdam soon in like 1 or 2 hours. So maybe like we have a stop right now at Trapton Hostel. So now we short pause, and as you can see here, the scenery is awesome. That's our Flixbus, and the scenery behind, in front, it's mind-boggling. Can you see here? So we are like 1 hour before, like we are about to reach Amsterdam in 1 hour. It's like 2:30 or something, and we'll reach there by 3:30. So it's on time.
Bleiben Sie alle gesund und wie gesagt, bis zum nächsten Mal.
Hello people, how are you? So I have finally reached Amsterdam, and you can see I'm at the bus station. My bus has reached here on time, and it's approximately right now 3:30. And right now I'll just go to my hotel, and I'll be waiting for my friend who will arrive next day. It's windy here and it's sunny, and the weather is awesome. It's like 20 degrees Celsius. So I'll be moving to find a hotel where I can stay, and then I'll give you a good tour of the city. For example, here I have some ideas of visiting the museums, ideas of visiting the canal. So right now I have just gotten out of my bus in the bus station, and I can see here that there are people from many nationalities. Yeah, there are Dutch, there are Deutsch, there are Indians, there are many people from all around the world. And yeah, it's kind of like the climate is also chill, and the weather is awesome here. So right now I'm heading towards my hotel. So guys, these are the streets of Amsterdam. You can see this is a way, separate way, this is a footpath here. And this is the railway station. It's just like my city themselves. And the weather is awesome, beautiful. Streets, the people, the cycles, and you can check the buildings. It's great. Hello guys, so if you enjoy my vlog, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and in the future I'll make sure to make more vlogs. So bye.